Hello, students, and welcome to lesson number 2, Understanding a Prescription. A prescription is a note from your doctor that you give to your pharmacist. It has the type of medication on it that you need. The pharmacist will prepare it and give the medicine back to you. Here are some examples of what a prescription may look like. Prescriptions contain very important information. The information on a prescription could be your name, your address, your phone number, as well as the pharmacy name, the pharmacy phone number, the pharmacy address, and most importantly, the medicine dosage instructions. This will help you to take your medicine safely. Here is an example of a prescription with all the important information labeled. You can see the pharmacy name, the pharmacy address, the pharmacy phone number, the name of the doctor, the name of the patient, and the directions for how to take the medicine safely. After you have practiced finding personal information on a prescription, take test number 2. Good luck, students!